Good afternoon, friends. Today we are here to discuss the concept of unit digit. What is unit digit? Unit digit is a digit which comes at units place of a number. Like if I say 16 is a number, then 6 is its unit digit. Now, the concept of unit digit based on the concept of cyclicity. What is cyclicity? Cyclicity is a concept where we say how after how much time the number repeats itself. Like if I say 1 power 1 is 1, 1 power 2 is 1, 1 power 3 is 1, means what is the power, whatever the power of 1 is, the unit digit comes to be 1. Now let's talk about 2. If I say 2 power 1 is 2, if I say 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16 and 2 power 5 is 32. Means after 4 digits or after 4 powers we get 2. We again get 2. So the cyclicity of 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 4 powers or after 4 multiplications we again get the same digit, which is 2. So the cyclicity of 2 is 4. Like this we find the cyclicity from 1 to 9. So I will tell you one more cyclicity. If I talk about 3, 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81 and 3 power 5 is, now what is 3 power 5? 3 power 5 is 243. So here we again come with 3. So cyclicity of 3 is again 4. Now what is the cyclicity of 4? 4 power 1 is 4, 4 power 2 is 16, 4 power 3 is 64. So cyclicity of 4 is 2. As after 2 multiplications we again get the same number 4. What is the cyclicity of 5? 5 power 1 is 5, 5 power 2 is 25, so 5 power 3 is 125. So after one multiplication only we get the same number. The cyclicity of 5 is 1. So like this the cyclicity of all the numbers from 1 to 10 are discussed, and according to that we will able to find the questions. Now let's see. I am making a table which has the cyclicity of every number and the power cycle. So number, cyclicity, and then power of cycle. So here number is 1, its cyclicity is 1 and power of cycle is 1. The number is 2, cyclicity is 4, power is 2, 4, 8, 6. Number is 3, cyclicity is 3 as we discussed, and the power of cycle is 3, 9, 7, 1. Now the number is 4, its cyclicity is 2 and power of cycle is 4 and 6. Number is 5, cyclicity is 1, 5, 6, 1, 6, 7. What about 7? Again the cyclicity of 7 is 4, 7, 9, 3, 1. Now cyclicity of 8. Again the cyclicity of 8 is 4, 8, 4, 2, 6. 8, 4, 2, 6. Now what about cyclicity of 9? What about cyclicity? This all are from 1 to 8. Now we have to discuss with 9 and 10. 10 or 0. So the cyclicity of 9 is 2, 9 and 1, and cyclicity of 10 is 1, which is power of cycle is 0. So here all the cyclicity and power of cyclicity are given from the number 1 to 10. Now let's take an example. Now let's take an example. So if you want to find the cyclicity of the unit digit of a number 287 power 5 6 2 5 8 1. This is a number and you have to find the unit digit. What is the unit digit of a number? The unit digit of a number is 7. So what is the cyclicity of 7? The cyclicity of 7 is 4. Now divide power by 4, or you can say divide power by the cyclicity of unit digit of a number. So when you divide power by 4, you get remainder. So what is the remainder? When we divide the power by 4, the remainder will be 1. So 1 means first power cycle of 7. So first power cycle of 7 is 7. Hence the unit digit of this number is 7. If we get the remainder 2, then the power cycle of 7 at place 2 is 9. So the unit digit will be 9. So you have to be based on remainder. Now let's take one more example. If we have a number 1, 3, 4, 4, 5 into 5, 4, 3, 3, 6. Here the unit digit of this number is 5 and the unit digit of this number is 6. The cyclicity of 5 and 6 is 1. So the cyclicity of 5 into 6 is 1. Means we get 5 into 6 is 30. And here the unit digit is 0. And the cyclicity of 10 is also 1. So what is the unit digit of the number? It is 0. It is 0. So this is your concept of unit digit. You can easily find with this concept. Thank you.